And here's a quick video on how to fix a Proxxon 38481. Basically, this one just one day made a really loud noise and stopped working. So what you if you do take it apart, what you have to do is first take out these 4 screws here, and then the unit comes out. Actually, before you pull it out, you have to take out the knob, and also besides taking out the knob, this is the knob here, you also have to take out a little this little thing here that connects to the potentiometer inside of there. Just kind of pull it out. Once you have taken that out, then you'll be able to, you'll see the board here. The board was actually here. This is the bad board. You'll be able to take out the board once you unsolder the 4 wires, and you can see the bad board here. So this is your good board, and you put it back in. You need to order one of these boards from Proxxon if you do find out this is your problem, like this one here. You can clearly see the damage there. So you go ahead and order one of these from Proxxon, and then we're just gonna put it back in and just weld solder the 4 wires back on, and you should be good to go. So now we got the 4 wires welded back onto the new board. Put some tie wraps on it, and now we're just gonna go ahead and put it back together. So first we're gonna put the 4 screws back on, and then we're gonna put the rest of this here. So now let's put back this little key into the potentiometer. So before you put this knob out, push it all the way down, go ahead and adjust it. So turn it all the way counterclockwise. Once you turn it all the way counterclockwise, then get the lowest number and align it with the line there. And let's test it before we push it all the way down. It's 5, 20. Okay, that looks good there. So go ahead and just push it all the way down now. So now you should be good to do a test now. So let's go ahead and turn it on, see what happens. There we go. All set with the new board working again. Thank you for watching. Now that we got the Rotary Tool working, I just want to make a comment about the old board. As you can see, where it grew up, and then you can see basically the board was destroyed right there and there. I did notice on this here, it looks like it's a capacitor, that on this board, the bad board, it was backwards. At least the lettering. On the good one, the lettering is this way, whereas in this one, the lettering is this way. So I don't know if that was it. issue or not, if it was installed incorrectly on the factory. Thank you for watching.